Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings and welcome to just a walk on a mountain. What is the mountain called? Zhuzhou Shan. Nine handsome men mountain. We haven't found the handsome men yet except two here. You two are kids.
We will find a grasshopper, one big one.
Okay, let's find a big grasshopper with two legs. I have my I have my Cinnabon, and I also have FIMI X8 SE. So later, once we are up there, we can film something. The whole area will be fun. We came from there.
Fall down. I can jump down.
I just don't know, how do you ride bicycle up there? That's gonna be really very, very tiring.
And dangerous.
And what gear you will ride at? I don't know.
Climbing gear?
Climbing gear? What is a climbing gear?
There's a kind of bicycle.
Pillow. Why you're so tired?
Come on. There's kind of bicycle that kind.
So we are going there.
Hey, a
That's
bamboo.
the pagoda there. Bamboo? No. That's just support. If I had a bamboo, I should have brought my electric cutter, electric saw. Any fruit?
Definitely cannot eat.
Yeah, that. For natural water flow whenever it rains. We are almost there. There are two seats for resting, but who wants to rest? That's a good place for flying as well. Almost to the pagoda. Look at this. This is a nice place to sit and fly. Fly, 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 quadcopters. Let's go look at the pagoda, then I'll come down and fly something. Beautiful flowers. Yay! The pagoda, finally. Is it the pagoda? I don't think so. This is just an area to sit and
I found something.
enjoy the view.
There.
Still should go up actually. Let's rest. Had some nice woodwork, man.
We can eat and drink.
Nice woodwork here. Nice view. Okay, mountain trip is done and we are on the way down now. As Mary says, it's more tiring to go down than going up. Well, maybe she's right. So we'll go down to kids play area and we may be able to see a takeoff or two of a paramotor. It's a nice short takeoff. Nice sharp turn. Nicely done.